Today, as I sat down to draw, I felt compelled to return to this sketchy style. I've used it before in the past, and I remember that I really favored this, but I'm not sure why. Why today? The pen seemed to know where it was going before I did. I began by drawing this heavy curtain, this half-drawn. There's more to the room behind it, but I can't see what's there. From where I'm standing, I can only see a little bit of flickering candlelight. The rest remains in darkness. Then I began to sketch the candles. That's why I'm here, for a candles prompt. There's small ones scattered across the table. Not prominent. One behind on the desk. And more candles find their way into the room as I draw. The air in the drawing feels thick, like it's filled with candle smoke. I can almost smell it. There's warm wax. The light feeling of dust is in the room. It's a strange, as I add each line, it feels less like an invention of my own creativity, more like a recollection. It feels as if I've been here before, though I can't really remember when. I added this portrait of a woman, and there's candles burning in a sconce right next to her. I feel like the person who lit these candles is nearby. They lit them as it feels like a daily ritual that they do. Something they do in remembrance. The table settles into view. More and more details come to my mind. The candles seem to tremble as I draw. For a moment, I think, is someone breathing? Very close, like they're just outside of the page as I draw. As I finish this drawing, this feeling of remembering, of having been in this room before, of having lived here, of having known every detail of this room, it all starts to fade. As the lines dry, the light steadies. The drawing is quiet. It's just ink. It's just paper. It's just a drawing of a room lit by candles. Nothing more. Although sometimes when I look at it too long, I can still feel the warmth of the candles.